Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining me or you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. In today's episode, we're going to be making a wig with a closure, and some of the things you need is a tripod stand, a canvas head, and your wig cap, needle, and thread. Now I'm using a mesh cap because I love using mesh cap. Mesh cap is breathable, it has some holes on it, so when you wear it you hardly feel heat in your head and all. So I prefer using a mesh cap, and I'm also using a canvas head of size 22 because it works perfectly for a small head size and a medium head size. It's something I can always maneuver to any head size because it's a medium, so you can work it to be a small head size and a large head size. So I'm using a canvas of 22 because my client's head size is kind of a small medium. Yeah. So make sure that when you are saying your wig cap is placed properly on your canvas head, and your closure is placed equally on your cap. So the space that is on the right side should be equal to the space on the left side. Yeah, so you just start sewing from the front. You sew from the front to the back, and you sew from the other left side, from the front to the back, and you take it all around to the end parts, and that's it. Your closure wig is ready. So after placing your closure properly and after sewing it on your cap, you can now start sewing your bundles from behind, and or you work your way all to the closure, and that is it. Wig is ready for use. So this is for a beginner friendly. If you are looking for how to make your wig at home, this is a video for you. So all my beginner friendly, kindly watch this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be dropping in more videos, and I do hope you will subscribe and you like. Thank you.